Good morning to all dear YouTuber and Assalamu alaikum to all dear friends. I am Umar Beg and today we are discussing about the chapter 3 of the computer. In our previous video we have asked about the chapter 3 and we have started the chapter 3. So in our today's video we will discuss about a new topic which is about the data validation. So what is data validation, how we can do it, so today's topic we will discuss about that. So data validation. Data validation is used to control the values or the type of data that user enter into a cell. So here we have about the how they are used. So it is used to control the values. How we can input the data or the type of data that user enter into a cell or about the cell. The following step will define criteria for entries in class column and student worksheet to 9A, 9B and 9C. So here we have about the classes. If the user enter any other data, an error message will appear. So here we have about that if an user enter in any other data, so a message of the error will be appear on this screen. So here we have some steps how we can do data validation. So here we have some steps. The first step is create a list of valid entries in the worksheet that contain the data 9A, 9B and 9C. So here we have the first step, we have to create the list of valid entries in the worksheet that contains the data of the classes of 9A, 9B and 9C. After that, second one is the select all the cell in class column without the column header. So after that we have to select the cell in the class column. We have to select without the header column. So the third step is click the data tab on the ribbon as shown in figure 3.87. So after selecting the cell in class columns, we have to click the data which is data tab which is presented on the ribbon tab. So here we have the figure 3.87 using data validation command. So here they are selected. So here they are selected 9A, 9C, 9B, 9C, 9B, 9A, 9A, 9B. So after that, here we have the fourth step. The fourth step is click data validation command in the data tool group. So after that, we have to click the data validation command in the data tools group. Data validation dialog box shown in figure 3.88 will appear. So after clicking data validation command in the data tool which is present in the data tool, we have the data validation dialog box will be appeared. So here we have the figure 3.88 data validation dialog box. So here we can see the data validation. Here we have settings, input message, error alert. So validation criteria: allow any value, whole number, decimal, list, date, time, text length, custom. So here we apply these changes to all the other cells with the same setting. So here we clear all, okay and cancel about that. So many functions here we have about there. So the fifth step is click the drop down arrow below allow heading and select list. So after clicking the data validation, so it will be appeared on the screen. So after that we have to click the allow heading and select list. So after that, the sixth is click the button on the right side below source. After clicking the allow, we have to click the button on which is presented on the right side below the source. So after that we have to click the seventh one, which is about select the cell. The seventh one is select the cell range that contain the list of valid entries and click close. So after that we have to select the cell range and that contain the list which we want so after that we have to click close. So after that we have to click OK to apply validation. After that we have to click OK if the process is done. So today's video we have discussed about the data validation, and we will discuss more about that in our next video, so keep waiting for us. Allah Hafiz.